Un aplauso para mami y papi, porque en verdad rompieron.
So hi everyone, we're currently here at Tacloban City and I'll be sharing to you some of the best spots that you can actually check out in this city. Tara, let's explore!
De verdad.